Hello everyone. So today I brought Insta360 Luna Ultra. It's the unboxing and first look for this camera. This is the new Insta360 Luna Ultra, and this might be one of the most interesting compact cameras I have unboxed in a long time. Let's open it and see what does the box contain, and we will check that. So just to let you know, it has a dual camera system, a 1-inch main sensor up to 8K videos, and one feature that immediately makes it different from most pocket cameras, it has a detachable touchscreen remote. That's quite interesting. I want to see that. So when you open the box, you will see a carry bag, a nice carry bag separate in a box. We will look into that. And then you got one mic ear, that's Insta360 mic ear. And then you got a black mist filter actually, that is for the cameras on the gimbal. And then finally you have this cute little dual lens 8K gimbal camera by Insta360. It's called Luna Ultra, 1-inch sensor, as they said. What's in the box? You have a gimbal, you have a cover. Let's figure it out. So I'm gonna open the carry bag first. Okay, let's check it out, what type of bag it is and what does it contain. Okay, so at first look, it's a nice, like, it looks like DJI, same type of bags. It's a similar one. The zipper, you open it, you have a nice space just for the gimbal, for your extra mic and all those stuff, and it's adjustable. You can change the size of the straps. Okay, so that's a nice one. Let's go to mic ear. Insta360 mic ear is that is actually, it's part of the box, so that's a good thing. You get a nice case for that one. It's a circular round case with the Insta360 tag. When you open it, you will see a nice microphone ring, and that is, like, I think for noise suppression. And then there is a charger.
This charger, right?
It's like a Samsung watt charger. Then you got a clip. It's magnetic clip. It has a magnet as well, so you can attach your microphone with the magnet. It's a clip and the magnet, and then here you go. Oh, let me show you the magnet. So now next we have the microphone itself. It's a small one, like maybe it's the size of a nickel, I believe. A little thicker, but the round size is about a nickel. It goes on the charger and it sticks with the magnet. This is our mic ear, and now we're gonna open the black mist filter. So when you open it, it's just a filter. It's another kind of protector, and it's magnetic too, so it's gonna stick on the camera, I believe. So let's figure it out once we open the gimbal, but this is what it is. So yeah, for two cameras you have a nice one. It also has stamping on it. So we'll look at a closer look at the Luna Ultra itself, and that's the next thing I'm gonna open now. So with the 1-inch sensor, it means like you're getting much more framing flexibility without carrying multiple cameras, because 1-inch sensor is a big sensor. It's gonna give you great quality even in lower light as well. So when we open the box, you will see some nice signatures by the executives, and you see it's a hard case. It comes in a hard case. That's very protective, I think, and if you drop it, it's gonna protect your gimbal and the camera. It's a nice one. You look at that, it's pretty solid. It says Insta360, and it's kind of handheld, small size. I don't see. Yeah, so it has, for the filter, it has some place to store that one within the case. You see, it's a nice one. Now I don't know, we can find out if it's a DJI killer for their Osmo Pocket series, but you see this screen, it's swivel, so it just rotates 90 degree, so you can make it horizontal or vertical. And these two nice cameras, look at that. This is a joystick, this is a zoom in, zoom out, and the screen is touch.
Over next.
Okay.
This is next.
So there is a camera shutter button too for recording on and off, but you can do the touch. So at the start it shows the QR code for registering the product and starting up, but you see, I don't know what is that for, but here is the, I believe it's the memory card reader space, like some, there is a slot for that one, and yes, it is, it's for micro SD card. So it's interesting. I think it comes with 47 GB, I believe. That is the storage. Here is the detachable screen. So we were talking about this can become a remote control too for you. So it can attach. There are clip-ons, like it snaps in and it's pretty tight, and you're not gonna lose it. But yeah, it's a good thing, like you put the gimbal somewhere or someone else's hand and you can control, you can have the remote control, and you can see how it is looking. So you can see how you are looking through the remote control, and you can adjust the screen and all. So this is what we have in the box. There's a gimbal, the camera, then there is a case for that one, then mic, ear, then mic ear accessories, and then the charger, the clip-on, the magnet, and then we have a nice bag to store all these things. So let's attach that filter. So let's see. Oh yeah, it snaps in quickly. It's magnetic. Now the next step is connecting it to the phone. It took a little longer because it downloads the updates, it installs the updates and all those things. So I had to set it up, firmware downloading. So it will take few minutes, but it's not that lengthy. So you're gonna see everything on the gimbal too. So you will have to keep confirming, and it's automatically, it's seamless, it's gonna find out. But you have to have Insta360 app. If you have 360 app, then you can, it's automatically gonna find this, and it's gonna keep connecting. I will be actually testing this Insta360 Luna Ultra more, so I will bring some more videos. I just made one video. I shot it in the store. It was a short one just to show you the results, but here you go. You have to install the firmware first. It's downloading, it's receiving at the gimbal. It's gonna be good, and I'm not gonna call this a full review. It's not a review kind of thing. It's unboxing and looking at how it looks, but it's pretty solid. The quality, I'm impressed. After DJI Insta360, the quality of their products are amazing. It's very impressive. I like it. And another thing is, like, this screen, and the screen is too light, so it's not heavy. But yeah, gimbal, it has some weight, but that's fine, that's expected. But it has like different type of, locks for for the cameras, so you can do the movements and logs, and then it's gonna make it easy for you to shoot any type of videos.
Just 47 gigabytes?
Yeah,
That's nothing,
I
man.
think I will test this detachable screen. That's more how, I want to see like how practical it is. Is this really a good idea, or it's just like something they just brought up and it's not practical at all? But see, here you go. So we have to set it up. English, keep going, and like it's gonna find out. And it has like built-in Wi-Fi as well for fast connection as well. So I don't think like you can connect with other Wi-Fi's. I will have to explore that. But you can connect to its Wi-Fi like any other cameras and all like they have. And the good thing is you got a $5 voucher if you go for some more questions. And
Well, let's
I
see.
went, but they ask a lot of questions, honestly.
Okay.
So let's see. You are in the app, and here you go. We started the tutorial. It's gonna show you. You just press get started. Here you go. So now it's gonna tell me the joystick, how to move it, double click to, here you go. So swipe up, and what it does by swiping up, so you can swipe up from the screen, okay, and like the gimbal is going to move with the joystick. So when you swipe up, you can switch between 4K, 8K, 30 frames, 60 frames, from left to right. You can do like the formats. This recording button, when you press it, it's going to start taking pictures or recording based on the mode. And then there is a zoom button as well. So if you swipe from left to right, it's going to show you the pictures that you have taken already. So it's going to show you the gallery. So swipe left or right, and then you can switch the mode. Here is the barrel roll. That's interesting. I like that mode actually. So you don't need to rotate it. It's automatically going to rotate the cameras. And yeah, it has 47 GB, so that's confirmed. So 47 GB is internal memory, but you may need a memory card, a bigger one, because if you're more into shooting, here is the barrel roll. So this is how it makes the video in barrel roll mode. So let's see, it's 4K, 30 frames per second. I just shot it, and I will show you the results as well shortly. But yes, these are the results of the Luna Ultra. This is the barrel roll. So this was shot on Luna Ultra, and this is the video that was shot on Luna Ultra, but it's slow-mo. Thank you so much for watching videos. I will bring you some more details. Have a great day.